Let that be a lesson to you.
Let that be a lesson to you. Let that be a lesson to you. midaasi cashar ha kuu noqoto. midaasi cashar ha kuu noqoto.
Let that be a lesson to you.
Let that be a lesson to you.
That be a lesson to you.
What's eating you?
What's eating you?
What's eating you?
What is eating you? What is eating you? maxaa kaa xanaajinaya marka? What is eating you? maxaa kaa xanaajinaya waay?
What's eating you?
What's eating you?
What's eating you?
What's eating you?
Oh, I'm sorry.
What's eating you? Huh?
Be offended if everyone's talking about how
Professor, don't be offended.
What?
Don't be offended. xanaaqin.
Don't be offended, but
So don't be offended.
Don't be offended, but what?
Be offended.
Don't be offended.
Don't take it personally.
Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally. si shakhsi ah micnaha ha u qaadanin.
Don't take it personally.
No, don't take it personally.
Don't take it personally.
Don't take it personally.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
After a while crocodile. After a while crocodile. waxay nimid tahay goodbye oo kale. ama see you later. waxay nimid tahay bye.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
So fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you two here.
Fancy meeting you here. Fancy meeting you here. aad iyo aadan wala yaabo ugu farxay inaan halkan ku arko. Fancy meeting you here.
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 Oh, stop. You're making me blush.
you're gonna make me blush here.
Blush.
You are making me blush. You are making me blush. aad iyo aad iga farxaysaa marka zaid kaaga farxay iyo inaa waxyaabo badan oo kaa farxinaa ku dhahaan wuxuu ismicaaleysa. You are making me blush.
You're making me blush.
Logan, you're making me blush.
Oh, you're gonna make me blush.
You're making me blush.
Oh, please. Can you elaborate further?
Wouldn't go well? Can you elaborate?
Can you elaborate?
Can you elaborate? Can you elaborate? ma ii faahfaahin kartaa? Can you elaborate? ma ii faahfaahin kartaa marka? ma faahfaahin kartaa? qof wax kuu sheegay marka inaad si fiican u fahantaa u baahan tahay marka waxaad dhahaysaa can you elaborate? ma ii faahfaahin kartaa? ama
Can you elaborate?
Can you elaborate?
Finger banging. Can you please elaborate?
Could you elaborate?
marka waxaan la soo gaarnay muuqaalkeena qaybtiisa ugu dambeysay. muuqaalkan haddii jumlad haddaa ka faa'iiday waxaan ku leeyahay muuqaalka xaqiisii share like comment subscribe na ha iloobina feedbackina comment kusoo dhiibta insha allah.